Hi, my name is Rajeev Menon. I've been in the IT field for over 20 years, and I wanted to get into analytics, understand more about the field. And I started a course at Data Brio a couple of months ago, and I was very impressed with the instructors and the scope of the course, especially because the instructors are very knowledgeable in the market. They knew how to teach from a business perspective, and not just theoretical, right? So it's very important for someone to teach you with a business background, and they're very open in telling you what will work and what will not work after the course. So it's very important for someone joining the course to know that. So I would definitely recommend this